Have you ever wondered how to deploy large language models on OCI? In this solution, you will learn how to deploy a large language model of your choosing using NVIDIA A10 Tensor Core GPUs hosted on OCI with an inference server called vLLM. vLLM can be deployed as a server that implements the OpenAI API protocol. This allows vLLM to be used as a drop-in replacement for applications using the OpenAI API, meaning that we can choose OpenAI models like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, or open source ones seamlessly to generate text for our requests based on two things: the original user's query and the model name of the large language model you want to run text generation against. These LLMs can come from any Hugging Face repository, so we will need to authenticate to Hugging Face to pull the models with an authentication token. Finally, you will learn how to use Python to perform inference on the language model. Try this AI solution today.